key in. That's good. We're close. That's far enough. It's good. Okay, remember, smash it down at the same time. Takes a few minutes.
How are you doing? Can you try to launch it?
There it goes.
It's
Now
red.
Go
It's
ahead.
red.
Go ahead.
Does it have a parachute?
Yeah. There it goes. There it comes.
I don't see it.
You see that black thing falling?
There, my rocket just came up short. Even the tip and the parachute and everything got past except the plastic.
And the tubing, right?
Yeah, the tubing and the back of it.
So close. If there's only
Even
some
the
strong wind, you know, it'd pull it right off. That parachute would.
Yeah.
So what, do you got a warning for everybody? If you're out at Marshall High School, watch out.
If you're at Marshall High School with a yellow that has black stripes rocket, do not launch it in.
Send it back to Cole.
Do not launch it in the middle of where the band practice, where my truck is parked.
Awesome.
Don't launch it where my truck is. Don't launch it here. Don't. Or else the pit of doom